Do these suck? I don't think so. I hope not. These are the Air Jordan 4 Thunders that release on May 13th. Retail is $210. This is my first time seeing them, and I must say, these are beautiful. Fire, straight fire. The Air Jordan 4 Thunder 2023. I am thrilled, happy, excited. I'm speechless. I can't believe they're bringing them back. They're finally coming back all these years later. It's a grail. It's a must-have for me. The Thunder 4s. I am so happy, guys. You have no idea. No, these, of course, do not suck. And I must say, quality control. Looking awesome? What? It's looking really good on this pair. I'm not seeing any glue. I'm not seeing any paint marks. Nothing. The pair's clean, guys. They're clean. They're flawless, to be honest with you. I have to give a huge shout out to Chicago Imperium for the early pair of Thunder 4s. If you guys want early sneakers or just sneakers in general, make sure you guys check out Chicago Imperium over on Instagram. I cannot recommend him enough. He has great prices, great pairs, everything's 100% authentic, and early as well over from Chicago. So make sure you guys check out Chicago Imperium. I'll leave his link down below in the description. Sole Premise sneaker bags hold my sneakers safely and securely when I'm traveling. There's actual compartments to store my sneakers inside of my backpack. There's 5 to 6 pairs of sneakers inside of this one bag, plus I have room for my clothes, my laptop, my chargers, and a bunch more. Sole Premise also makes a smaller backpack that holds 1 to 2 pairs. Sole Premise makes a bunch of bags. All of these bags are made and designed to store your sneakers. There's actual compartments. There's no other bag like it on the market. Make sure you guys check my link down below in the description. Check out Sole Premise and use my promo code Danny Moore. My name Danny Moore at checkout. That will give you 40% off from the entire website. These are the best sneaker bags in the world. Make sure you guys check out Sole Premise. Thank you, Sole Premise, for sponsoring this fire video. I absolutely love my Sole Premise sneaker bags. They're amazing. They did a great job quality-wise, and this Nubuck Durabuck upper, nice. It's much better in hand than the 2012 pair. I'm not sure about the 2006, but it's much better than the 2012. That is for sure. Now, this yellow is, I would say, slightly brighter. Now, the camera is not doing it justice at all. It does not look like it does on camera in person. I don't know what's going on, but it really does not look like this with the yellow in person. This is more like a mustard yellow, I would say. They're calling it, of course, tour yellow. On camera, it's a lot brighter. It's popping up a lot brighter with just how it looks. I wish you guys can see these in person right now. You will have the chance to get them May 13th. These are going to be tough. Not going to be an easy cop. I don't see them being an easy cop. I think a lot of people on release day had a tough time when it came to the Lightning 4. The Thunder's going to be tougher, if you ask me. Why? Because it's a majority black shoe. It's more wearable. It's as simple as that. Now, the Lightning is fire. I absolutely love the Lightning. Now we got the Thunder. What more can I ask for? To be honest with you guys, these were grails for a lot of sneakerheads for years. Years on end. They originally released together, actually, in 2006. Together with a t-shirt. You can't find the t-shirt. It's hard to even find them. They released in 2006. Then, 2012, completely separately, we got the Thunder. We never got the Lightning in 2012. They finally gave us the Lightning back in, what was it, 2021, I want to say? 2020, 2021, around there, we got the Lightning. Now we're getting the Thunder again. Awesome. I'm a huge fan of the Thunders. Personally, I love both, but it is easy for me. I'm going to go Thunder over the Lightning all day, any day, because it is a more wearable sneaker. People are going to wear these. They're going to be excited for them. The hype is going to be through the roof. I'm telling you guys right now. Don't sleep on these. Make sure you guys put in the footwork, enter the raffles, try to cop, because these are going to be everywhere, but they're going to be a lot of demand. There's going to be tons of demand. Tons of demand. You guys thought, the Reimagined 3s were tough. These are going to be up there as well. I don't think they're going to make as many Thunder 4s as they're going to make Reimagined 3s. They made a lot more of the 3s than probably these 4s. Hype and demand going to be through the roof. We all know the 4 hype is real, and they're giving us the Thunder, guys. At the prime hype of the Jordan 4, we're getting the Thunder. What more needs to be said? This is phenomenal. A great looking shoe, and I got to give it a Jordan Brand. They did a great job with quality control. I'm not seeing any glue or anything, which is awesome on this release. Hopefully, it will remain that way. We don't see any mold, anything pop up crazy later on. Who knows? We'll have to wait and see for that. Now, these are just great, man. As far as details, you got the black, you got the yellow. It's extremely wearable being an all black upper. The Jumpman, you do have the white Jumpman, the yellow Flight. On the back, you do have the white Jumpman. And of course on the bottom, the white Jumpman as well with the tour yellow hit and an all black bottom. The insole, black insole with a white Jumpman in there. They're gonna be easy to wear. Hype's gonna be through the roof. Resell is going to be a problem. They're going to have some resale value to them. I'm going to tell you guys right now. Right now, they're going for like $375 early. That will drop. I do see them settling probably at like mid to high 200s and going up. They may even stay at above $300, to be honest, in the bigger sizes, and then go up from that point forward. There'll be a decent hold. It's a great pair of Jordan 4s. You can't go wrong with the Thunders. Finally, we're getting them back May 13th. I'm here for it, and I simply cannot wait. The Thunders, baby. They're back. Thunder, Lightning. Pick one down below in the comments, and make sure you guys stay tuned. If you guys want me to do a video comparing the Thunders against the Red Thunders, make sure you guys leave a like on this video. Run those likes up. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. I am giving away a pair of the Reimagined Air Jordan 3s. Make sure you guys like this video. Hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment. Let me know your size, and then DM me proof on Instagram, DannyMoore2369. Send me a screenshot, a picture, do what you need to do. Send me proof that you guys are subscribed for a free chance to win a pair of Reimagined 3s, completely free. Make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in. The giveaway ends at the end of this month. The winner will be in a video in the beginning of April, so make sure you guys stay tuned and hit that subscribe button for free sneaker giveaways. And let me know, should I give away a pair of Thunder 4s next? I think that's going to be the next giveaway. Make sure you guys let me know what you guys think about the Thunder 4s. Are they a cop or a drop? I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the Moore family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.